Hi everyone, welcome back once again to my another video. Hope you are doing well and staying safe. Today I'm going to share with you a simple recipe, fried potato masala recipe. It's my favorite recipe as we needed 3 medium to small size potatoes, peeled and well washed, then cut into equal small sizes. After washing the potato, should be soaked in salt water at least 30 minutes time. After 30 minutes, strain it and keep it aside. Now, time to heat the kadai or pan. Add 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. I have used sunflower oil. Fry the potato till golden color. Add enough salt for your taste. Fried well and the potatoes color change to light golden color. Remove all potatoes from the oil. In the same oil, add some fenugreek seeds, then goes to 1 handful chopped methi leaves or fenugreek leaves. Saute till the raw smell goes. End of this video, I have shared with you how we can grow methi leaves or fenugreek leaves easily at home. Adding into fried potatoes and mixing well. 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder and mixing together. Our fried potatoes ready now. In this video shows to grow fenugreek greens from seeds easily at home. All we know, in Ayurveda, fenugreek seeds and greens are medicine in many elements. Fenugreek is really good for arthritis. It reduces the inflammation. It is warm in nature. It is good for body. I have taken 2 teaspoon fenugreek seeds soaked overnight because that helps in a germination process. Next day, remove the water and cover it with towel till the seeds sprouts well. All the seeds sprouted well. Take a tray, place some tissue and spray with some water scattered on top of it. This will take at least 10 days time to grow. Every day in the morning and evening, spray with the water. That's it. The taste is little bitter, but it combines well with root vegetables like carrot and potatoes. If you don't like, along with potatoes and carrots, add to whole wheat dough to make flavorful rotis and parathas. You can also use it as a dry, that's name's kasuri methi. Hope you like my video. Stay healthy and take care.